Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English. Today we are going to learn one of the most important English tenses in English, the present simple. So what is the present simple? We use the present simple to talk about habits, facts, feelings, and things that are always true. Let's start step by step. When do we use the present simple? We use the present simple in many situations, thoughts and feelings. We use it to talk about what we think or feel. For example, I think so. I like it. We use it for facts and permanent situations. We use it for things that are always true or stay the same. For example, we live quite near here. The earth goes around the sun. We use it also for repeated actions, means habit. We use it for actions we do regularly. For example, I come here every week. I go to school every day. We also use it in expressions like I promise, I agree. I promise I'll pay you back. I agree with you. We use it to make suggestions. Why don't we go out? Why don't you try again? In the present simple, we use the base form of the verb with I, you, we, they. We use the verb without changes. I get the lunch ready. We do our shopping. They like ice cream. With he, she, it, we add s or es. He gets up early. She thinks so. It gets busy at weekends. Let's see more examples. Sarah catches the early train. She fixes messages every day. To make negatives, we use do not, don't, doesn't, or does not. With I, you, we, they, we say I do not or don't like it. We don't live far away, or we do not live far away. With he, she, it, she doesn't or she does not want to go. She does not like coffee, she doesn't like coffee, or she does not like coffee. Here are some important rules that you have to pay attention. We don't add s in negatives. For example, he doesn't get up early. No, we say he doesn't get up early. And to make questions, we use do or does plus subject plus base verb. With I, you, we, they, do you live here? Do they like music? And with he, she, it, we say, does he want money? Or does she work here? Now let's see some short answers. Do you like it? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does he live here? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Another important rule that you have to remember is that we don't add s in questions. So here, we don't say does he get up early. We say does he get up early. So let's review the main rules. Positive, I, you, we, they, plus base verb. He, she, it, verb plus s or es. In questions, do, does plus subject plus base verb. Let's see some quick examples. I get up at 7 o'clock. She gets up at 7 o'clock. We don't live here. He doesn't live here. Do you like coffee? Does he like coffee? So remember, we use the present simple for habits, facts, feelings, and regular actions. It is one of the most important tenses in English. Keep practicing and try to make your own sentences every day. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. And of course, don't forget to press this button or subscribe for more English grammar.